So either this is going to be a fail or going to be a success because we're going to be installing Windows 11 on the T400. Now this machine does have a Windows 10 install. I took out the SSD that has the Windows 10 install and put in a 120GB SSD I have so that I can install Windows because I do not want to do it on my main SSD. So yeah, this is my Lenovo Thinkpad T400 I got recently. Oh yeah. But yeah, in this flash drive I have Windows 11. Now of course I know there's a possibility that this will not work because Windows 11 being, well, newer, but also because it's requiring much more modern stuff, especially TPM 2.0. It's a possibility that this won't work, but I mean it's worth a try. I mean still. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be using that one right there. So alright, it's in there. So let's go to the Thinkpad. Go. Come on. F12 and let's go to USB 2.0. Haha. Look at that. The Windows 11 loading. Because I mean it really shows that it does work. It boots up. Because I did set it to MBR, or the format that this computer supports, it being a BIOS, not UEFI. Well, I mean legacy BIOS anyways. But yeah, here we go. We are loading. So either this is going to be a success or a failure, and I'm either going to upload this video either way if it comes to either of those two. Alright, we are loading into the Windows 11 setup. Look at that. Windows. I gotta lie, it actually looks good. I was hating it at first, but actually it kind of starts looking a little bit more better. But here we are. We are in Windows 11 setup. Alright, let's see. Setup is starting. Let's see if I get the message saying, oh, you're not going to be able to install Windows 11 on this thing. Okay, product key. Well, I mean, this computer does have a Windows 10 product key. Am I seriously continuing on? Really? Yep, there we go. This PC can't run Windows 11. Yep, pretty much. I mean, there's probably a way to do it, but I'm not going to be doing that in this video. Heck, I wasn't planning to do this video either way, but yeah, this really shows that Windows 11 finally is declaring these type of computers obsolete. Although some people might be able to install Windows 11, I don't have the knowledge of that right now. So yeah, that's kind of sucky. This PC can't run Windows 11, especially even if you try to do it through Windows 10. It's not gonna work either. Oh my god, it's not focus. Come on, focus. But yeah, I mean, I already knew this was gonna fail either way, because it was obvious. This is a 2010 laptop that has an Intel Core 2 Duo and has no modern features. So yeah. This is a sad time for older computers. They would never see a new Windows. But hey, at least I was able to see the boot up thing on here. Focus. But yeah, that's a fail.